2020 has been a year of future challenges for marketeers in attracting and engaging customers via digital media. There could be many reasons, such as unsegmented target audience, inconsistent content, buyer's journey doesn't in place, and so on. I am Adnan Jalees and presenting some highlights on content marketing and customer interaction scenarios. To work closely with our customers' need, we would require to identify the type of content to produce, either thought leadership or selling content. Firstly, we have to start segmentation of potential buyers. Second point comes in place when you start evaluating your sales pipeline by categorizing top of funnel, middle funnel, and bottom of funnel. We recommend preparing products and services content, whatever you offer to your customer, that should be more relevant to the categories such as ebooks, social posts, case studies, and more. Content marketing is a continuous work which has iterative content production and release stages life cycle, which could become under project management. Content writing and publication should be aligned with marketing calendar, which are normally based on regional and countrywide events, product and solution release dates, company news, and much more. If you like to learn more about content marketing, or if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us or drop us a message. Thank you for your time to watch this video. Love you all.